Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Pura Vida Moringa Powder, a natural supplement that claims to provide full body health support. After testing it, here's what we found. The pros: Moringa powder is nutrient dense, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and amino acids. We noticed that mixing it into smoothies or tea gave us a natural energy boost without the jitteriness of caffeine. It also seemed to support digestion and reduce bloating when taken consistently. We also like that this is a raw, plant-based supplement with no unnecessary fillers. The cons: the taste is very earthy, almost bitter, so it takes some getting used to. It doesn't dissolve well in plain water, so you'll need to mask it in recipes. Another issue is that if you take too much at once, it can cause stomach upset or diarrhea. Finally, results aren't dramatic. It's more about long-term wellness than quick fixes. Overall, Pura Vida Moringa Powder is a great choice if you're into clean, plant-based nutrition, but it requires consistency and creativity in how you consume it. This has been How to Learn You, keeping smart and simple and scam-free.